Happy Sunday. Today you're going to watch me make a few socks, at least the final steps. Here is one that I did yesterday. Here is its pattern. And here is one that I've got ready to sew right now. Now I got to get it to follow my face again. There we go. Now I'm inspecting it to see that it was sewn correctly and that all the fabric has been caught. Now I flip it inside out. You should watch me flip this inside out. Alright, so after I sew it together, flip it inside out on one end. And then I do it on the big end by reaching in, kind of folding it up, pulling everything around it, and then kind of going around the edges until it's just one big little wad in the middle there. And voila! We have a sock turned inside out. Almost done. Has a few more things to go. We gotta stitch this down and stitch a line. All right, here we go. Finished product. I'll show it to you on a saddle in a minute. I gotta change a needle. A completed set of saddle socks. And there it is with the socks attached.